can do that. You can do it. More pepper, baby.
Steam it up the end of it. How much more you want?
I think that's fine already. Love you. So yan, I think okay na yung mais na ating nilagay. So maglagay naman tayo ng beef or beef cubes. Isa lang. Ting! Ilagay naman natin yung ating baby potatoes. Alright. Pakpan ulit natin siya and mag-wait lang tayo na ilang minuto. Siguro mga 3 minutes, 5 minutes. Okay guys, check ulit natin yung ating nilaga. Okay. Ulit na yung ating baby potatoes. Lagay na natin yung ating ano nga to? Baggy beans. Bahala na. Baggy beans. Sama na rin natin ngayon guys yung dahon ng sibuyas, onion leeks. Ayan. Tapos takpan lang natin siya ulit. At maghintay ulit tayo ng mga 3 minuto. 3 minuto. Yeah. After 3 minutes, wala pa yatang 3 minutes yun. Ilagay naman natin itong ating ang tawag dito? Pechay Baguio. Pechay Baguio. Oh my God. Yeah. Looks really good. And takpan ulit natin at maghintay tayo ng mga another 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Tapos inaano natin yung ating electric stove. Okay? And we're back. So let's check it. Oh my God. Let's try it first before anything else. Char. Perfect. So I think this is good enough. And that's it na.